The peanut experiment. An easy experiment to do, and you have to ask yourself, why do birds eat peanuts? What is it about them that birds like? In the following clips you can see that. You have just seen a woodpecker, and now you should see a blue tit eating peanuts. The reason why is that peanuts contain stored energy, and that stored energy is used by the bird to keep itself moving and warm. So how do we find out how much energy there is in peanuts or any food? The answer is you set fire to it and see how much heat is produced as it raises the temperature of the water. That is, the heat from the burning peanut raises the temperature of the water. You need to measure out 25 mils of water, place it in a test tube, and then set fire to the peanut. And you can see that in these short clips. They weigh the peanut, and you will be able to see that in a minute, the weight from it. They clamp a test tube so it's secured. They measure out the 25 mils of water, and then they burn the peanut. They measure the temperature of the water beforehand and afterwards. The weight of the peanut will be shown shortly. You need to keep watching because it actually comes up very quickly on the screen. And I think it's just coming up now. And having clamped the test tube, there we go. That was very quick. Now what you can see there is the peanut is lit by the Bunsen burner, and you can see it starting to burn. Having noted the temperature before it was burning, you have to note the temperature at the end of the experiment. Those figures will be given to you by the teacher. And at the end of the video you will see the extension work that we want you to do. This form of measurement is used for all energy calculations for food. In other words, you could burn a Kit Kat, rice, or a tomato to calculate their energy value. You can obviously see that a tomato does not burn well and therefore has little energy. Once you've noted the temperature, remember to obtain the worksheet from the teacher, who will email it to you as well as the figures. I hope that you've enjoyed the video and will complete the extension work. Remember, do not try this at home, and be very careful when working with any sort of flame. And you can see that the extension work is just here for you to look at, and the teacher will email you these extensions.